Good evening, everyone. First of all, let us express our gratitude to God Almighty for His blessing, which allow us gather here today in a good health for this webinar entitled "The Disappearance of Social Culture: Celebrating a Culture Day." In today's rapidly changing world, social and cultural value are gradually fading due to modernization, globalization, and digital influence. Throughout this webinar, we aim to preserving a social culture and to remind us that culture is not heritage from the past, but also responsibility for the future. We hope this webinar will serve as a meaningful space for discussion, reflection, and appreciation for the cultural diversity, especially in celebrating a culture day as a moment to strengthen our cultural identity.
Amidst globalization and the development of digital media, students are becoming increasingly familiar with global culture, while their connection to local culture tends to weaken. Regional language, traditional arts, and everyday cultural practice are becoming less commonly used, not necessarily because they are rejected, but because they are considered less relevant to modern life. The situation shows a gap between the younger generation and the cultural heritage that should be part of their identity. Students have a strategic role as agents of social change. With their intellectual capacity, access to technology, and influence in the digital space. They have the potential to become drivers of local cultural preservation if given the space, understanding, and appropriate to the current context. Therefore, this webinar is held as a forum for education and dialogue to encourage students to re-understand the value of local culture and formulate relevant, participatory, and sustainable preservation methods. The goals and benefits of this webinar are goals and changing students' understanding of the importance of local culture as a national identity, fostering students' awareness to play an active role in preserving and sustaining their respective regional cultures, encouraging the integration of local cultural values into academic life and student activities, encouraging students to view local culture as something relevant and creatively developable in the digital age. The benefits are students have become more concerned and proud of their local culture. The formation of cross-cultural dialogue space on campus. The emergence of students' ideas and movements in cultural preservation through digital media, art, and social activities. Universities play an active role in maintaining cultural diversity as part of student character building. Local culture as identity and heritage. Local culture encompasses regional language, custom, art, social values, and local wisdom passed down from generation to generation. Culture is not merely a tradition of the past, but a way of life that shapes the way people think, behave, and interact in society. Losing culture means weakening the nation's identity. This is one of the challenges in local culture, such as Gen Z, who are overly fond of K-pop and are growing in number. Fashion that is increasingly leaning towards Virgin cultures and Western food as well.
Challenge in preserving local culture in the university environment. The dominance of global culture, the lack of space for culture expression on campus, and the assumption that local culture is relevant to the modern world. Social media often highlight global trends over local values, further marginalizing regional culture. The role of students in preserving local culture. Student organization based on art and culture. Use of digital media to introduce local culture. integration of culture values in academic work and social activities, cross-regional collaboration to get to know and appreciate each other cultures. The role of universities as culture space. Universities can support cultural preservation by providing space for artistic performance, incorporating local culture content into campus activities, and supporting research and community service based on local wisdom. In this way, campus become not only centers of knowledge, but also centers of cultural preservation.
I have a picture of traditional dish. Do you know what it's called?
Yes, pempek.
Good, correct.
What it's called?
And do
And have
you
you
ever
ever
try
tried
it?
it? And do you
And do you
like it?
like it, Rehanun?
Yeah, I like it.
Do you know the name of this batik?
Megamendung.
Correct,
Yes,
Rehanun.
alright.
And where
100.
does this batik come from?
It's from Cirebon.
I have a picture of traditional dish. Do you know what it's called? And have you ever tried it? And do you like it?
Is it so black?
Yes, correct, Tanaya. 100.
Do you know what the name of this traditional dance? And have you ever seen it? Traditional dance. Do you know what is
Tari topeng.
traditional dance? This webinar is expected to be a first step in building collective awareness among the students in preserving and developing a local culture. Preserving culture does not mean rejecting a modernity, but rather using a local culture as a foundation of facing a change in a meaningful and deep-rooted way.
Okay, so the next slide is question for you guys. And the first question is, based on the discussion in this webinar, why do you think it is important for us to preserve local culture?
From my opinion, I think preserving our local culture, our local cultures is important to showing foreigner about our identity in Indonesia, especially in Indonesia, because there are so many different cultures in Indonesia, but it doesn't separate us. Instead, it makes us one.
The second question is, what do you think will happen if local culture continues to fade and becomes increasingly unfamiliar to younger generation?
I think it will be a bad thing because if the case will really happen, our culture or Indonesian culture will be is so easily disappear and have forgotten and not cannot be preserved again. And I think it will be sad too if the younger generation cannot know or cannot see or cannot learn the Indonesian culture because our culture and Indonesian culture is pretty beautiful to learn and see too. I think that's it. Thank you.
The third question is, in your opinion, why are many young people today less interested in local culture?
Many young people today are less interested in local culture because global culture is very influential, especially through social media. Local culture is often seen as old-fashioned and not cool, and that is usually introduced in boring ways. Modern lifestyle also make young people less connected to tradition, so foreign culture feels more attractive than local culture. Thank you.
And the fourth question is, from the perspective of young people, what simple action can actually to taken to help preserve local culture?
I think I still preserve culture by speaking the regional language with my family, and I enjoy developing kebaya, and I often watching cultural history content in YouTube. I watch it from both Indonesia and other countries. The channel is Leonardo Edwin anyway, so maybe other young people, especially Gen Z, can do the same thing as me.
And the last question is, how can local culture remain relevant and appealing amid today's rapid developments and modernization?
I think it should be make more interesting. Yeah, I mean, if local culture can stay interesting
by following the modern trends without losing its meaning, using social media, music, fashion, and technology stuff. Maybe it can make local culture more attractive to the young people. And by mixing it with the tradition with modern ideas, local culture can continue to live and grow.
Thank you guys for answering this question. I really thanks to you guys who participate to answering that question. If we have a bad word to you, don't. Yeah, I'm really sorry. Sorry, and my group is really sorry too if have a word to really hurt you. Once again, thank you guys.